Hey guys, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a product review and tutorial, and we are going to be testing out this CoverGirl. This is a drugstore palette. Isn't it gorgeous? But I have to tell you, I wasn't impressed when I opened it up, because look at this palette. It looks great, right? Then you open it up and there's tiny little, it's like they could have made this palette like half this size. Anyway, I have a problem with that. Yeah, it's got a big mirror, but it's not a close-up mirror, so what good is it to me, right? Anyway, we're trying it out, and we're not going to be using the mirror. So, it's going to be great though, right? Because I shouldn't care if the pans, see, some of these pans are so freaking tiny. It's like, I won't be able to get my brush in them. I don't think. I'm just being negative, right? I'm going to stop that right now. And we're going to say, it's great. And we're going to, and I think it was $14.99 or something like that at Walmart is how, and there were 4 different ones. I didn't buy all 4 of them. Some people that are in this business do buy all 4 of them, but I didn't think that was necessary. I have way too many palettes as it is, and I really didn't have the money to buy all 4 of them and then just use them maybe once, if I even did that, and give them away. I just didn't have it, but it looks like a good palette. And I picked this one completely because of the red packaging, because they all looked really good to me. And so I like the colors, but I really like the packaging. So let's get started. We're going to start with our Essence Eye Base. And yes, I'm going to go today. I have to get my hair done today before I go to California. And I'm going to go today and buy another one of these, because it's getting really low. Although it really doesn't take very much, so I have plenty. But I keep forgetting whenever I order from Ulta. That's where I get mine. Actually, I don't know anywhere else that has Essence, but I keep forgetting to order it because it's super reasonable. Like I told you before, I think it's like less than $5, and I just can't remember it until I go to use it, and I have to dig a little bit. You guys need to let me know what you got at that VIB sale, if you got anything. I'm not a person who thinks you need to buy every time. I do try to save up certain things, like my second Charlotte Tilbury thing. I'm going to get that. I actually already did my order. I can tell you what I ordered. I ordered the Charlotte Tilbury, another cream shadow, and I ordered it in the Mona Lisa, which is darker. I'm not sure about the colors, because even the one I have, which is the Marie Antoinette, it doesn't look exactly in the picture like I think it looks on the eyes. So anyways, it's a darker one. And I also ordered the Milk Hydrating Gripping Primer, because I really want to try that one. And another one, I ordered the Tarte, what's it called? Found Sealer. It's like foundation and concealer together. I saw a couple of reviews on it and they liked it, so I thought, ooh, we're gonna try that one. And I ordered one other thing and I can't remember what it was. Oh, I ordered some more Grande Lash because it's ridiculously priced and I needed to get it when it was on sale. But it does last a really long time. Okay, back to what we were doing. Let's just see. We're gonna go in and set that with this white color right here. It's called Bare It All. And I am going to use my fluffy brush. There it is. Ooh, very powdery. Can you see that? Which I don't really think it's a big deal, but it's good to know. I hope they're not all that powdery, because they're going to get all mixed together. They're so small, the pans are. I was going to stop that, wasn't I? Okay, let's go in for our transition color. well, I guess we're gonna use this little tiny Brazilian. No, Brazen. We're gonna use this one, the first one right here. It's called Brazen. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 505. All right, now I'm going to go in with my Sigma E55. I really can't see these. I thought I could. This is E45. And I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to use this color. Oh, what is it called? Showdown. It's kind of the pinky, this one right here. And put that in my crease. Pull it up a little bit so that when I open my eye, you can see it. Now, we're going to go in with a little of this pink shimmery color right here. It's called Exposed. Right there. And I'm just going to put that on the rest of my lid. This looks very glittery. Hopefully it's not going to have a whole bunch of fallout. It kind of just blended right into that other color, I think. Well, I don't think that was much of anything. I think I'm going to take the Showdown color, this one up here, and put that underneath a little bit. I like it okay. They all have a lot of pigment, but it just seems like they're almost all the same color. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this blue color in here and add it across. Don't I have another brush? Here, this one will work. I'm just going to take a little bit of this blue. It's called Soot and Sparkle. It's this blue one right here. And I'm just going to add it down here, right up against the lash. Well, the name is good, Soot and whatever it was, because it looks black to me. It certainly doesn't look beautiful blue like it does in the pan. Alright, it's fine. It's just not as blue and beautiful. So this palette, to me, is a meh. but I know how to fix it. I've got me some Milani here. This is the Milani, I can't read it. This is the Milani Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper. And this one is in the color 04 Starlight. We're gonna add some of that. It's gonna be great. It's gonna give it just the pop we need. And I'm just gonna put some right in the center, down towards the lash. And then I'm going to take my E55 brush and move it around a little and just put it in the center. Much better. Now I'm going to go in with liner and really get this show on the road. So I'm going to go in with my tattoo liner in Onyx, and I'm going to push line. And then I'm going to go in with my flat brush. This is a Morphe 432, and I'm just going to smudge that around so that there's no gaps, and pull it up a little bit into a line above my eyelash. And then you can either stop there with the liner, or you can go back in with a liquid liner and make a wing. I usually decide that after I smear it and see if it needs it. And I think I'm just going to go back in with a little more of the gel liner, from the tattoo liner, on the outer corner, and just so that it'll pull it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to add a little bit right there, and then I'm going to go back in and smudge it. And then it's kind of dries fast, so you might want to do one side at a time. That way it'll still give me the illusion of not a downturned eye. Okay guys, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look of the day as for our CoverGirl Revolution. That's what this one is. This Revolution is the name of this palette. Each palette has a different name. They're all CoverGirl, and I think they do. I know they have a different name, and I'm pretty sure Revolution is the only name I could find on here, so I'm pretty sure this one is Revolution. I am going to give this pile a meh. It's like, it's okay, but I really think the Milani Sparkle is what made it. So it's got pigment. It just, to me, the I used 4 colors out of it, and they're not true to what you see in the palette. I used this color. I liked this transition color after, I didn't want to use that because it was orangey, but it turned out fine. And then I used this color. Oh, I just stuck my thumbnail in it. In the crease. And I liked that. It was nice. It's nice and pinky purple. But then I used this sparkly light pink, and it looked almost exactly like the one I put in the crease. Then I used this blue. You can see, I will show you. It looks really, really blue. See how blue it looks? It didn't look blue at all when I put it underneath. I put it down here, and it looked just like a smoky black or dark gray at least. Definitely I didn't see any of those blue sparkles. So I'm giving it a meh just because I feel like it's not true to color. But it does have good pigment. It did go on well, and we made something out of it. So it's, you know, it's not bad. It's just you got to be prepared to work with what you see. So just be prepared. I think it's definitely worth trying to see if it's, you know, it may be one you love because it's not bad. It just isn't what I thought it would be. And I have a lot of palettes, so I'm kind of picky. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure you share this on all your social media. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!